All right, time to do a Hermes Corpus 80s base. This is very difficult. You have to pray that everything works out well. If you're lucky, you can get it. First thing we'll do is we'll just use a missile. We'll see how this works out. Oh my goodness, we were lucky. Okay, let's try another one. I mean, if one is good, let's try two. Oh my goodness, that one worked. Let's try another one. Maybe we'll get lucky again. Maybe we'll get lucky again. These Hermes are so difficult to defeat. You got to try like crazy. I hope that I don't get a whole lot of damage. All right, you know what? I'm tired of waiting around. Let's try aces. Bring in a few aces. See if they can defeat this base. This is so difficult to beat. It doesn't look good right now. Doesn't look good at all. But I hope that we'll be able to get it. It's a tough one to beat. Okay, we got rid of them. We just put it on Ruby. Let's see if Ruby can do it. Ruby is so good. She knows what to do. Maybe she'll bail us out. It's not looking good right now, though. Oh, it's awfully close. We might run out of time. Oh my goodness, we were able to do it. Let's see what we get. Running silent. What else did we get? Oh, multi-launch. Okay, that was it. Think you can do it? You're a nerd if you can't.